fight the police officer? Ready!
Nope, you're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Taser, taser, taser! In the ass, degrees, they got you, Freddy! Oh, he's whipping that off.
That shit don't work on me.
It don't work on him. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, this your boy Food Nigga. We are back with another banger reaction video. Shout out to my people, man. How my people doing today? We about to tap into a video, man. Wannabe gangster turns simple traffic stop into a wild standoff. Okay, shout out to my people for sending me the videos, whether it's Instagram, foodnigga@gmail.com. Yeah. foodnigga@gmail.com, or whether it's Instagram, foodnigga_ENT. If you want to send me a video react to, make sure you send it to those two places. If you don't have Instagram, send it to email. If you don't have or don't want to do the email, send it to Instagram and DM me the links. And that's how we get down. Now, with that being said, we about to get into what is a wannabe gangster, huh? Let's check on our meepers, man. Get down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let us know where you are, what you're doing, how you doing today, where your meepers are. If you're down in the dumps, if you like you up here, you maintain, whatever it is. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Some people gonna see this while they're at work, and the meeper's not gonna be as good. Some people gonna do it on the way, watch the video, maybe on before work. Meepers might be okay. Some people might watch it after work. Meepers might be way up here. Some people gonna watch at home. So whenever you watch it, tap down in the comment section with your meeperies, man. Let's go ahead and tap to the video and see what the gangster's about. It never gonna end right when you got the gangster in the title, though.
On January 16th, 2025, an officer initiated a traffic stop after noticing a vehicle dragging an object beneath its rear tire.
He's still flicking me off.
Is that flicking me off?
Fat ass on, ain't no warning. Get your fat ass on. Get your fat ass on. Get your fat ass on.
Freddie.
Get your fat ass
Freddie.
on. Get your fat ass on.
Fred?
Everything you need to know right here. I ain't drunk, I ain't intoxicated, I don't even do drugs. I didn't feel my train of thought. Get your dick eating ass on. You ain't got shit to talk about. Get your dick eating ass on. Everything you need to know, get your dick eating ass on. Get your dick eating ass on. You can see my license, you ain't taking it in your possession.
Hey, do you see what's hanging out of your car?
What?
A drill.
Oh well, so what? That ain't important.
It's dragging along the street.
Oh, so what?
It's
that ain't
drill.
important. That ain't important.
Get
your dick eating ass on.
You gotta give me your license.
You know, I don't gotta give you shit. I gotta show you it.
Give me your license.
I'm showing you it. I don't gotta give you shit. So get your bitch ass on. Officer Cruz, I'm a black man. I know the law of before cases. Get your dick eating ass on.
Okay.
Get your dick eating ass on.
Give me your license.
I ain't gotta get. You see
You're about to get yanked out of the fucking car. Give me your line.
You threatening me? You threatening me?
You're about to get arrested.
I ain't finna get shit. You see it. You see it. I ain't gotta give you my license. I can show you it.
I can't see it. Give me it.
You can.
Give me.
Stop
reaching for shit too.
What? Shut the up talking to me, bitch. Shut the up talking to me. You can't see that? Get your dick eating ass on.
Get out. Give me the license.
I ain't gotta give you shit.
Give me it.
I ain't gotta give you shit. Call for a sergeant.
Call for a sergeant.
Yeah.
We'll take care of that in a second. But give me your
No,
license.
I ain't gotta give you shit when you see it. My flashlight way brighter than yours. Can I flash my shit in your light? The fuck is you talking about? Stop trying to touch me, bitch. This officer sitting right here with my license. I want a license right here, and this bitch ass cop talking about I gotta give him my shit like I'm a dumbass nigga or something. Get your ass out of here. Get your ass out of here.
Oh, he snatched it from your baby.
Get out of the car.
I ain't gotta give you
Get out of the car.
I ain't gotta do nothing.
Oh, he tried to.
I ain't gotta do shit.
Step out.
Get your hands off. Get your hands off.
Are about to fight the police officer? Ready!
Nope, you're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Taser, taser, taser! In the ass, degrees, they got you, Freddy! Oh, he's whipping that off.
That shit don't work on me.
It don't work on him. He's been through it before. What?
Get off me. Now. Can't believe it. You hear my taser?
Oh, he took Where's your taser, Godfrey?
Right here.
Freddie, you're trying to die. Freddie, you're trying to die. You done took the one that's gonna sting you, and he got the one that's gonna kill you. Why you trying? Freddie, bro, what are you on? You knew you're not gonna win in the field like this. All the flicking off and the word callery. Freddie, bro. They're not giving him the license, Freddie. Hey, you fighting them, then you get back in your baby mama van like you got 7 kids, taking them to soccer practice. It's not. Freddie, what are you on? You saying that on a druggery, sir? He said you have a whole drill in your tire, sir. How do you not notice that? You got to be on something, Freddie. I'm gonna start calling you Freddie Gibbery. You know what I'm saying? You just caught a taser to the ass cheekery and you took it with all the might of your every muscle in your cheekery, sir. You did that. You must do ass ups. I'm just saying. I'll take this. You can't do what? What? Boy, you a cold boy. Boy, you must have been born in the 70s. You one of them cold motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? Like, sir, but you're about to go to the upper room because now you got the real one on you.
Shut the f*** up and get out of the car.
Oh, the victim now. You the victim.
Show me your hands. Crawl out to me. Right now. Crawl out to me. Crawl out to me. Keeping your hands up.
Hey, come to me. I won't do nothing to
Crawl out. Crawl out of the car.
Spring 33, that's where we're at.
beat my ass.
Crawl out of the car, keeping your hands up.
This motherfucker just
Hey,
beat my
son,
ass.
get Cruz,
How did I
walk
get
him
his
back.
taste? He just brought
Hey,
me to
come out of the car! Hey, one of you.
This motherfucker just beat my ass. I'll be able to do it. I'm not. You're not
Good?
Get out of the car now.
The face, too.
The seat rest is right here.
Pull you out. Or you
Oh, more tasery.
I'm not
I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop. All right.
We're good
This
right now.
motherfucker just beat my ass.
We don't need any more cars.
This motherfucker just beat my ass, bro.
And that's something we can deal with, but you're not listening. But you're not listening.
I got 2 licenses. He asked me for one of them. He snatched the other one. He tased me 2 times. He kicked me all in my face.
That boy turned to a professional victim real quickly, didn't he? Talking all the big shittery at first, though.
This motherfucker just beat my, trying to call himself trying to tase me twice. I don't got no drugs in my system or nothing. Dude just trying to beat my ass. He tased me twice. And I got 2 driver's licenses.
Have a seat.
Face the car.
Sir, you only supposed to have one. You're not supposed to have 2. That's
I
going to be
don't do
something
drugs.
else
I
on you.
don't have nothing on me.
Before I even get up, he starts flicking me off. And then he's not giving me his license.
This motherfucker punched me in my face. He's getting my car and got the throwing punches on me. That's why his taser is in my car.
He hits me in the face. I punched him in the face.
How would I get his taser? Y'all pulling the strings from his taser in my fucking head. Out my fucking head.
You have another pair of pants on?
Yes, I do. It ain't nothing in them.
I'm trying to make sure.
I tase him. He gets back. Try to hit him again with the taser. It's not working on me. I go to dry stun him. He backs up. Grabs taser and kicks me in the face.
Go ahead and have a seat, please.
That Officer Cruz, Cruz,
right.
that motherfucker just
Get in the
literally
car.
tased me twice.
Get in
That
the car.
shit did not work. And then he jumped in the car and got the throwing punches
Okay.
on me. I'm real
right, hey,
good.
Sergeant,
That's how I got his taser. That's why I got his taser. I told you, I
Get
do
in the
this
car.
shit.
Sir, I don't care what you say. You are on something. And if you're not on something, you got mental issues. But you own something. Normal people don't act like, even if you want to act rowdy with the cops, you not acting like this, sir. All that talkery, you turn into the big shit talker to the biggest victim ever. You know what I'm saying? You had that whole man's taser in your car. You think they're gonna believe anything you're saying? How did my officer taser get in your van? He threw it in there at you? Sir, you act like they're gonna be on your side, bro. Like you tell you, and you want a white shirt. Sergeant ain't gonna be on your side. When are you guys ever gonna learn that they're never gonna be on your side? They're gonna do their job. Then they might do an investigation afterwards. But in the field, bombs going off. Rah, 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 taser, taser, taser. Everything. We giving you everything we got. When you're in the back of that car, we're going to have a little conversation, though. But that's when we pulling the needles up out you. Sir, you on something. I don't care what you say.
I do this
In the car.
I'm in the car.
Shut up.
I can't believe this shit just happened.
All because of this. All because of this shit.
Oh, it's banging on down.
Yeah, man. The light was on and everything.
I mean, that adds up.
Honestly, I was just gonna tell him like, hey, man, go grab it. I was gonna
It's
run
like,
him.
hey,
Anything.
pick it up. Getting
Yeah.
Okay.
We got in a whole
Stupid.
fucking brawl for no reason.
Simple.
Because there's no way you can beat a black man with 2 licenses that's intoxicated, that ain't do nothing wrong, and then put me in handcuffs and ask me my information that y'all got out of my wallet.
Oh, yeah, you got kicked good.
Yeah, man, he got me. He got me right before.
Now you got
His
assault.
body cam has to show everything that's going on. You will see, I'm sober, he's lying, and he needs to be put in handcuffs like I am.
Wasn't a bad kick. I'll give him that. He got me right in my forehead. Like,
Yeah.
They had to even laugh at that.
It's fine. He's gonna beat us in court. He's getting everybody's badge and guns, so.
Here's the phone, Chuck, and I'm gonna do everything you need to do. So y'all just get the sexual harassment pretty much. You're touching me and I'm already in handcuffs doing whatever you're telling me to do. So what are the reason is for you to touch me? Do you have
He was
my
tased.
keys?
He needs to get checked out
I
before
was
the jail will
tased
accept him.
twice. I was tased twice.
She wouldn't need your name. Go ahead and give it.
They took my ID and they took 2 of
Give
my
her your
licenses.
name.
You give her my name. You give her my name.
I don't have it written down. It's in my car. Just give her your
Right.
name.
You hear that? He wrote me up, wrote a ticket, took my wallet.
Dumbass.
Y'all been in here. He just called me a dumbass.
And you are a dumbass.
Real black man. Godlike. Nothing like yours. Nothing like no gun on my waist. Nothing like no taser and 2 clips.
Hello.
Hey, I want y'all to breathalyze me too. A sobriety test. A sobriety test.
Oh, no, jail for 4 years.
These cowards discuss me and talk about some Americans' flag and justice. Need to turn in y'all badges. Chumps. Call me stupid.
The suspect was charged with aggravated battery on an officer and disarming an officer, both felonies. He was found unfit to stand trial and avoided prison.
Unfit? Well, you don't say. You might not have been drunk, sir, but you off your rockers. Unfit. You disarmed a whole coppery. You disarmed a whole coppery without getting shottery. Impressive, sir. I will give you that, okay? How did you do it? How did you do it? I done seen so many videos. Never happens. You avoided jail, sir. You know something we don't know. To do everything you did, to talk to you talk, to beat up and fist fight a coppery, and to avoid jail, boy, you a cold mother sucker. Okay? Shut your mouth. You one of them. Okay? I promise you. Get down in the comment section. This is crazy. He got taser. You know what I'm saying? Couple times. He got tasered so much, he took mother. Hey, you stop tasering me, man. Stop tasering me, man. You ain't strong enough. You know, I'm from the 70s. 72. Type down in the comment section. This is crazy. This is insane. This is a good one. Thank you. Thank you, my people, for sending. You guys know I love the taser. I didn't know. Nobody told me when they sent me this, it had taser action in there. You got suspenseful. I like you. You like kept me up my toeseries. Okay, I'll put you. You feel me? Giveaway going down on the 21st. Giveaway going down. I can't wait to give you guys some money, man, because you guys make my day. Literally make my day. I was gone all day from the house and I wasn't at work. Come home, tapping my people, and you guys made my day. Made my night. I love you guys, man. Listen, tell down in the comment section. Let's have a conversation. Let's talk about it. Let's just vibe in the comment section. I'm gonna catch you down in there, man. I might do another video. That's how high on life and I am with my people. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out.